Our primary goal with the Lightcast technology is to run single-cell assays in a very precise and flexible manner. The system we developed, based around optical electrowetting, lets us do this for a range of really complex functional biology workflows, and it does this by manipulating droplets using light. So looking at this diagram, I'm going to explain what's actually happening when we use those spots of light to move droplets. We're using the light from a digital projector in the instrument to activate a small region of an electrowetting structure inside our microfluidic flow cell. Electrowetting is a very cool effect where you can use a really small electric field to change the contact angle between a liquid drop and a surface. At every region we activate with the light spot, we cause the droplet to very slightly wet onto the surface. If we move the light spot around, the droplet follows it as the wetting region moves rapidly to follow the light spot. We use this same electrowetting force to combine droplets together in our merge operation, driving them together so that they share an activated spot. Importantly, you can see some cells here in the droplets, and we don't actually directly apply force to the cells, just to the liquid that surrounds them. We've also engineered the device to be very efficient, so it doesn't need very much light to activate, and it runs at very low voltages. Surrounding the droplets, there is an oil carrier phase which physically stabilizes the droplets. It supports long-term cell viability and at the same time still allows us to apply the electrowetting force and move the droplets around. Notice also that the electrowetting photoactive structure works just from one side of the device, and the other side is transparent, so we can image inside the droplets looking at the outcomes of the cell assays, typically using fluorescence microscopy. And another important feature, once each droplet is sat on its light spot, it stays there throughout the process, no matter where and how the light spot moves. The electrowetting system also scales up so that we can do this with thousands of droplets, each with its own anchoring light spot that it keeps throughout the assay. That's fundamentally what lets us retain the assay history of every cell in the system.